this. Okay. We need the clip. Back out there. It's working. Back in Jersey. We just made it. We're back at Milton Technician Garage, where everything can be done.
Hi, Herbie.
We have here the technician, Mr. Milton. If you have a problem with your car, just come to us. We'll get it done.
This morning we just started, obviously organize everything, but we got started tie the carburetors, put in time, put in all ignition wires.
Yeah, he's gonna do the finishing touches, and that car should be done today.
Put the core, the engine is sitting down.
Of course, we have the right-hand car here. It'll be a problem to get the manifold in because it's kind of hard to tie the nut on the other side. So Milton got to grind a little bit, grinding a little bit, so maybe get a little different nut. So it will fit right. A little uncomfortable just to me. But it's gonna get there.
Try again. Let me do more little bit. Here is good for the socket. And it's on a small socket. Or actually this too thick anyway. Here it's really thick, no problem. No do I need better. Tienes que
See now?
yo veo un 200 y le voy a cobrar. Sí, firmarle porque
Now
sepa.
you can reach the ball. In the
Now
back,
you take it out everything. You put the swivel
in the back.
in rear. Even for other people do maintenance, it's comfortable because you don't have any problem, further problem. Now it's reach, right? But you gotta.
Yeah.
Yesterday I do polish here. I clean a little bit because my finger was all fingerprint.
Yeah, that's what happened with Chrome.
You got it, yeah.
You leave your mark.
Okay, you see now we can tie. No wrist, tie completely. Later, we don't want it something like a vacuum, something like a.
Things that take a little longer, but then you have to do the same thing on this side.
Yeah, the same thing, but like I say, later if you need to remove something, that's simple. Do you need to remove the motor or is it?
Well, this is the other side. I'm working on it. It's a little uncomfortable just to put it back over there. It's really hard.
So
It looks
again,
simple, it's just 4 bolts, but it takes time.
For
That
what?
one is already done.
take that, yeah, because you gotta grind a little bit to fit the socket. We use this, but the other screw is uncomfortable. You gotta take out the carburetor.
And that's what he's doing on this one.
It's a new one.
The other-
Carburetor and brand new. This by hand. What is this? The grinches. Where are the grinches?